Hi everyone, so I am coming to you with this hairstyle. This is called the spring twist, and I was not going to record this hairstyle, but I decided to record it because I've been getting a lot of questions about this hair. People ask me where I got the hair from, how many packs did I use, how long it took me, what method did I use. So I just wanted to come here real quick and just to answer those few questions. So this hair is called the spring twist hair in the color T1B30. I purchased this hair on Amazon. I don't think you could get this hair on another website or at your local beauty spa store, but I know you could definitely get it on Amazon. I purchased this from the vendor, what is her name? Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't remember the vendor name, but I'ma just write it down here and so you could check her out. I purchased 1 pack of hair, but in each pack it comes in 3 bundles, and you could definitely use only 1 pack because the bundles are so much, and each bundle it comes as if it's like curly hair, and then you just have to like fluff it out. I'm going to get a pack of the leftover bundles I have, and I could really show you guys how it another thing is that the hair, okay, so right, I started to do this hairstyle because I seen one of my friends was doing this hair. She used this hair a lot. She always did this style, the spring twist, but her twist was not necessarily as small as mine or this full, but I loved every time she did it. So I was going on vacation. I went to Cuba, and I wanted a protective style, so I was like, why not try the spring twist? Okay, so I decided to do the spring twist like 3 nights before I left because I was scared. It was my first time doing it on my own head. So I wanted to do it a few days ahead of time just in case I had to do a backup hairstyle. And I'm so happy that this came out good, because if it didn't, I probably was gonna be crying. So I purchased 1 pack with 3 bundles, and I started off doing individuals in the front. Okay, before we dissect my head right now, I'm gonna just warn you guys, this hairstyle is like a month and a week old, okay? So do not judge my parting, my braids, my new growth. Don't judge it, please, okay? Don't judge. Just look at it. Just like, oh, her twist is still nice. Wow, wow, wow. That's it, okay? Please don't judge me, because my roots, they're done. This hairstyle is ready to come out. I am just letting it last until graduation pictures, which is in like 2 weeks. So I'm not taking this out until I reach that 2 weeks. Okay, so don't judge. Okay, so let's go. I started off doing individuals in the front. Okay. And did a very tiny. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, they're very small. Okay, I started off doing individuals in the front, and I started around 11 a.m. Yeah. Then I'm thinking, okay, this is twist. I'm used to doing twists. I do twists very fast. This is easy money. Come in, get out. That's it. I started to twist, guys. I kid you not. I removed about 8 twists before I actually got it to look the way I wanted it. I watched YouTube videos. I started panicking. I was like, OMG. I texted my friend like, Juju, I can't. I'm about to cry. I'm having a mental breakdown. Like, I don't know what to do, okay? So I took about 8 strands out, and I just kept on retwisting. And I found it was like, you know what? This is the last time I'm gonna untwist and retwist. I'm gonna just twist it however way it comes out. That's it. Okay. So I finally twisted it, and I achieved this one particular twist, and I was like, yes, I got it. I was like, I was so happy. But I didn't want to get too happy because I'm like, oh my God, what if I get happy because I got it one time, but it don't come out for the rest of the braids? So I had to remain calm. Kept on twisting, and I was like, okay. I see where we're going here. We got something going on. I see it. Kept on twisting, and by the time it was like 6 p.m., I was only halfway done with my hair. How? I started at 11 a.m. 6 p.m. still not done. Mind you, I have work tomorrow. How I'm gonna work with half of my head done? So I text my sister like, sis, I need help. We're gonna have to tackle my head 2 hands, 4 hands, 5 hands. We're gonna need to tackle this as a team right now because I have work tomorrow and my hair is still not done. Okay, so went over there and she started twisting, and I did not like how her twist was coming out. I'm very picky with whoever does my hair, and I was just like, okay sis, I got this. Like, you can have a seat, I'll take over. So I decided to do the perimeter of my hair singles, the back singles, okay, and then I decided to crochet the middle. So I'm gonna show you guys how my crochet look. So I have a few cornrows somewhere around here. So yeah, all these are cornrows. Remember, don't judge. I have some cornrows. I have about, I would say, let me feel. I have about 8 cornrows in my head. I purchased my hair for $23.99. I think I said that before. $23.99. What do you need to achieve this hair? You need some edge control. You need some, I would say, some jam. I don't know if you got some jam. Okay, this jam. And you would need maybe like some curl cream, curl custard, just because when you start twisting, it will help the hair to bounce right back. So you will put it at the end of wherever your hair stop at, and then you start twisting, and it will actually help it to blend in with the hair better. What else about this hair? How long it lasts me? So I did it on the 7th of February. Today I am filming this video on March 13th. So about a month and a couple days. And honestly, I really don't regret paying $24 for this hair. I told you guys I only used about 2.5 bundles, and I still have another half bundles left. I'm really gonna do this hairstyle again. And also, this hair could really be stretched. Okay, it could really be stretched. You could cut it, make it shorter. You could use the natural length that it comes in and just twist it all the way down. That's what I did, but I didn't make it too long. Maintenance is very easy to maintain. When I go to sleep, I usually use a scarf or just like put it up in a pineapple and tie it, wrap my scarf around. I go to sleep. Lately, what I've been doing, because I like the natural look of it, I've just been going to sleep like this. I would just take like, do all of it to the back, take one strand from each side, tie it, and I go to sleep. Next morning I wake up, just take it out, shake it, run my fingers through it, and I go. I'm going to come back. I'm going to get the leftover hair. I think no, it's not Beauty Cabraid. Beauty Cabraid, she is a YouTuber, guys. She is a lifesaver. Thanks to her, I've learned how to do so many other styles that I never know how to do. Yeah, her braiding techniques is very clean, neat. She's very She explains everything thoroughly, like little by little, how to braid. I really love watching her channel. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay. All right. So the name of the vendor is called Beyond Beauty. Beyond Beauty. This is the packaging. Okay. This is one bundle, but if you order 1 pack of hair, 1 pack has 3 of these in it. Okay. This is the hair. This is how it comes. This is the T1B30. I think I told you guys already. All right. Hair out to demonstrate, but you just attach it to your roots and it'll be like this. You guys know how to, you know, sometimes the method used to braid and you just twist it. I wonder if I could twist it just holding it like this. Let's see. So what I'm really doing, guys, I am just like twisting in between the curl pattern. You see it? This is the whole twist. Okay, let's do the top part. Let me twist some at the top. Twist would look like after you finish twisting it. You could take some Eco Styler or any type of gel. I used the Let's Jam gel. Okay, and I just took a little bit. Let me do it right now. I took a little bit, just put on the end. What this does is just help the ends to just be curly. So it will just help it to become one. The 2 strands become 1 strand. And voila. You couldn't even tell. Okay. So this is how it is. Exactly what's on my head right now. The spring twist hair by Beyond Beauty. This is from Beyond Beauty. So if you guys really enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. Hit the bell button just so you could be updated whenever I post a video. Sometimes I may not post a video on my Instagram, so by you hitting the bell button for my notifications, you will have first hand of whenever I post a new video. And I'm gonna try to do more videos soon, especially since I'm out of school, so I'm gonna have more time. All right, beauties, so until next time, stay beautiful. Just be happy, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.